Hello, this is Marcus Raves with RAMS Industries. We are a distributor that specializes in the sales and marketing of edge-banding materials for the furniture industry. Today, we would like to showcase the impact resistance of different raw materials for edge-banding, including high-pressure laminate, melamine, PVC edge-banding, as well as acrylic edge-banding. It is vitally important to understand that there are differences in the different raw materials, and that although it looks pretty straightforward in regards to the use of edge banding, it can have a detrimental effect on the quality of your furniture. So let's get started. Behind me is an impact tester by a company called Gardner, and it's commonly used for impact resistance tested in the woodworking industry. We will start with different raw materials and then get our way up to the thicker materials to show the different impact resistance on the materials. So let's get started with veneer edge banding. So this is a veneer edge banding commonly used in the industry to cover veneer panels, and you can see on the back of the edge banding is a pre-glued, oftentimes used with a hot iron to iron on the edge banding to the board. The Gardner test here is a standardized test, has a 2-pound weight that is being lifted up to 9 inches high on the scale and then dropped at once onto the specimen, and then the impact is visually tested. As you can see here, veneer edge banding this is 0.6 millimeter is a good solution for low traffic areas, but it is not conducive for high traffic areas and not suitable for it. The next edge banding solution is paper melamine. Again, this is a pre-glued edge banding. I bought this at Home Depot, and it's also 0.6 millimeter thick, so very thin. And this is commonly used as a hot glue item that is being applied with a hot iron on furniture. And this product is very inexpensive, but this is also a very low impact solution. As you can see here, the impact, standardized impact, pushes a hole through the thickness of the material, clearly indicating the low impact resistance of melamine edge banding. Next in line is high pressure laminate. This product is very versatile, so oftentimes woodworkers are using this to cut edge banding strips and glue them on, because there are different board thicknesses that extruded edge banding is not available for. So this is a commonly used solution for it, but it is very brittle and it has a very low impact resistance. I have seen this in the retail environment in high traffic area, which is not conducive for a material like this. So have a look at the impact. So this is not surprising, a hole blew right through the thickness of the material. It is very brittle, as you can see here, very easy to break. So the impact resistance is very low, and this is not the right edge banding solution for high traffic areas. Moving on to the PVC edge banding. This is 018 half millimeter edge banding, so it's primed on the back, typically for automatic edge banding, and this is a standard edge banding used to seal edge banding in kitchen cabinets as well as closets. The advantage for it is it's a very economical solution. The disadvantage is that this is very thin, so there is no round edge that you can trim, and it leaves very sharp edges on the corner, and that makes it a very interesting edge banding solution in closets, because you don't want to have sharp edges close to your delicate clothing. But let's see what the impact resistance look like. So here you can see it's the edge bending is completely destroyed, and so low impact resistance on thin PVC edge bending, and this comes from quality edge bending manufacturer. So this product is good for vertical applications, low traffic areas, so inside the cabinets, on shelvings, or on closets, but not exposed to any open corners where people can get hurt or where clothing can get damaged. Moving on to 1 millimeter thickness, so it's double the thickness of the edge bending from previously tested. So this product is very versatile. You can trim it, has a nice round edge, sharp corners can be avoided, and let's see what the impact resistance look like. Quite a significant difference from 0.5 mil to 1 mil. So although there's a little bit of a crack here, you can see that it is quite, it absorbs the impact quite better than thin PVC edge bending. So this is a good solution for closets as well as kitchen doors and even inside the kitchen cabinetry. Some kitchen manufacturers and woodworkers move all their edge bending thickness from 0.5 mil to 1 mil. Last thickness on the PVC side, this is a 3 millimeter. This is a great product because you can see it's very thick. It can absorb impact quite well. This is commonly used in institutional case goods, so case goods that go into very high traffic areas like schools, hospitals, lockers, commercial buildings, for the purpose of impact resistance. So you can move around chairs, you can bump it, but it's very sturdy, as you will see from the impact resistance. Quite amazing that this product doesn't even have a scratch nor a dent in its surface, so indicating the highest impact resistance with 3 millimeter. And this is a great solution for institutional cabinetry. Not so much for the residential side, you can get away with 1 millimeter, but for institutional cabinetry that goes into schools, hospitals, any public buildings, this is a great edge bending solution that should be specified on all commercial applications. Moving on to different raw materials, this is acrylic edge bending, has become quite popular in recent years. This is printed from the back, so it gives you some protection on the surface in regards to the surface print, that it's scratch resistant. This product is crystal clear on the back, so that's the reason why it shines through. It's called 3D edge bending. Very, very nice looking material. You can get it in different designs. So let's see what the impact resistance look like. So this product is a 2 millimeter product, and you can see there's a little bit of a crack in the material, but this product is perfectly suited because it's 2 millimeter on tabletops in restaurants. I've seen these in quite a few of the franchise restaurants like Tim Hortons and McDonald's, as well as Burger King. So it goes onto tabletops. This is available in over an inch to cover 1 inch board. So good solution, very impact resistant, and it keeps really the prints protected. Even if you rub against it, it doesn't discolor. Great product. And this product here is the thinner version that goes typically on a kitchen cabinet. Great versatile design, so this comes in different designs complementing the surface design, so it's not matching. This one picks up on metallic, the metallic theme that's often found in kitchens with stainless steel appliances, and then you can transfer it over as a design element to the living space. Oftentimes you have combined living spaces with kitchen and living room. So this one you can pick the design element from the kitchen cabinet and move it into the living room area, so that you have a consistent design flow from kitchen to living space. So let's see, this is 1 millimeter. and it's also printed from the back. Not quite as sturdy as the 2mm, but as you can see here, it's pretty good in regards to the impact resistance. This will go very well on kitchen doors, kitchen cabinet doors. Oftentimes used also in the store fixture industry. I've seen it at the Bay on store fixtures, high-end store fixtures that really showcase the merchandise, but also give certain protection for the product, which is important. You don't want to have your high-end merchandise looking not advantageous when you have edge banding that's peeling off or cracking or chipping. So this is the test results. So the main conclusion out of this test is it's not as straightforward as people might think to specify and use edge banding. There are different materials for different applications, and I hope that this test illustrates clearly that it's worthwhile to spend some time on edge banding education. We hope that this video will help you with that, and if you have any questions, you can contact us at 416-558-6133, or you go onto our website www.ramsindustries.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.